wanted to give you a quick analysis on Apecoin. I just wanted to say if it closes like this in 2 hours and 5 minutes, I would say $28 is a blow off top, and then we have a retracement that we can look at, which is around $24.46, which is a 236. If we lose that, we have the 22.45, and losing that, the 21, which is the ideal spot for me to get into, is around the golden pocket, which is 1922 and 1989. So right between $19.90 and $19.25 is the perfect area I would like to get in along, and then have a stop loss right under $19.20 to get out, knowing that, hey, it might go deeper into a retracement. But if this asset's bullish, it should stop around there and keep going back to the top.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome back. We are looking at Ape on a weekly time frame, and I just wanted to go back to our original chart. And as we can see, the $25 level did get hit. We did reject very, very hard off of this level, and now we are under the original high at 1833. And we are making a doji. So closing the weekly like this is not entirely the worst situation. But next week we can start seeing some selling pressure to retest back into this golden pocket, which is around $14.50 or $14 even. And then if we lose this level, then I would say, hey, we have support at the 0.5, which is $12.88. And worst case scenario, we have the last level of support I would like to look at, which is $11.50. Losing $11.50, you're going to have a consolidation come very, very low. It will take out all these lows, and hopefully we find some support at $9.88. Otherwise, we don't really know how low we're going to go on the retracement until we want to get into a position for the upside retracement. So on a weekly level, this is the situation, but I wanted to show you guys a much closer time frame and show you how good it looks. Weekly, the buy volume is still good. So let's go look at a daily real quick. On a daily, what I wanted to point out is we did break out of back into the Bollinger Band, and we are testing the 21 right now, and we are bouncing off the 21. If today we can close above $16.45, we can look for the next day opening to the upside retrace. But if we do lose this 21 EMA, which is also the 786 over here at $15.96, basically $16, if we start having a close of the daily under $16, I would expect us to go into the retracement deeper, which is this golden pocket over here at around $14.50, and then maybe find support in that area to go to the upside. If we do lose this level, then we have these other lower levels to consider. But if we do come lower than this level and we close it daily, then I would probably be more hesitant and more cautious to wait for a few more days to see exactly where this wants to find support before we look for the retracement to the top side. And then the main thing I wanted to point out today was the 4-hour candles. The event for this asset is now over. All the people that bought prior to the event were buying a nice run above the 21 EMA. We went all the way to 25, then we broke under the 21 EMA, tested the 55. We didn't want to go lower. We went back up to test the high. We did not make a new high, got rejected off the Bollinger Band twice with a hard rejection, tested back into the 21 EMA, and finally lost the 21 EMA for the second time, which means it was weaker. And we lost the 55 EMA this time because we held support last time, but this time it was weaker since we tapped it once already, and we broke through, and now we're testing the 100. Now, this is the point I wanted to make. If we can hold this level here for 4 hours, I would think the retracement is over, and we can look for the top side movement again. Hopefully, we do break above the 55 EMA, which is around $18.72. Otherwise, the move to the downside will continue again. This is also the middle of the channel as well. So if we can get back above the middle of the channel, test into the 21 and close above the 55, I think we will have a good enough chance for the retracement to the downside to be over, and we can look for path to the upside to retest higher. I'll even draw this out. And what I'm thinking right now is we close around here, and then if we do close above the 200, between the 100, then we'll have another 4 hours to get above the 100 and close to the 55. Then we can test into the middle and the 21. By then, this 21 EMA will be coming in like this. If we get rejected by the middle of the channel on the 21 EMA, then I would say, hey, we can go back down, but we can find some support on this 100 to try again. On the second attempt, if we can't do it and we make another lower high, then I would say we're going to go down to this and test this 200. If this 200 is broken, then you know that your golden pocket is this last level of support before a much deeper retrace. And the market maker making this deeper retrace is due to the fact that he knows he has a lot of longs, a lot of retail trapped due to euphoria and excitement in this area. And he's going to squeeze them all out little by little in a nice little triangle or wedge or channel, whatever you want to call it. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Even maybe you can call it a little triangle. He's going to slowly, slowly, slowly consolidate here. Bore you guys to death with a slow, lower highs consolidation, and then break it out. So just keep this all in mind. This is the game plan for Ape. Now that the event is over, Ethereum and gas fees are bringing a little bit of disappointment to people. This might be what the market maker's intention. If he finds support over here and we start going up, we have this path up, but we have a lot of resistance. So I want everyone to keep all this in mind. Also, I will be coming out with a few other coins today, so please stay on top of it. Don't forget to please like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications for real-time updates so you get this info as soon as it comes out so you can use it to your advantage. Also, if you have any questions or concerns, please leave it in the comment section below and I will get back to you ASAP. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon. And we'll follow up for the weekly close on Bitcoin later today, too.